ప్రణామం 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 ప్రభాత సూర్యుడికి ప్రణామం.
Without wasting much time, let me start the session now. As you all know that overweight and obesity are two different conditions altogether. See, both these conditions are always associated with a parameter called as BMI, which is the body mass index. Well, as I've previously told you also, now the degrees of obesity have increased. See, we all have degrees in life, right? You have a, the pre-bachelor's degree, you have a bachelor's degree, you have a master's degree, you have a doctorate, you have a postdoctorate. These days, even obesity has got more degrees these days. In fact, obesity grade 1, obesity grade 2, obesity grade 3. So these are some of the degrees even the disease is having these days actually. That is the main reason why obesity is a condition which is called as a disorder. It is not a disease basically, it is a disorder, which is a collection of various diseases starting from diabetes till the fatty liver disease. See, this is a very important point that I am trying to speak here. See, with the help of iSlim bar, you are not only trying to reduce weight or manage weight of some people, you are actually talking about managing a disorder. This is a very important thing. So, obesity is a disorder which is having all kinds of diseases starting from diabetes till the fatty liver disease. Well, there is something called as fatty liver disease that most people might be knowing about, and some people have a very bad misnomer that fatty liver disease normally happens because of alcoholism only. If someone drinks alcohol, they will have fatty liver. That is a very, very wrong notion actually. There is something called as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's called as NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, where the liver usually contains the bad fat in it. A large amount of bad fat is accumulated in the liver. We also call it as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. So that is also one of the other names which is given. See, even without the presence of alcohol, the fatty liver can happen. That is the reason why we call that as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Most of the obesity or overweight related patients, they have this condition called as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, where the BMI of the body is more, and this particular condition can lead to your liver damage. This is a very, very dangerous thing which can happen, which is actually happening in a country like India, especially the developing countries like India and even the developed countries like the United States. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is considered to be one of the major problems. Well, why I am telling you this point is, as I told you, obesity is a condition which is having characterized by various other problems, of which this fatty liver disease is one of the major problems. So whenever you are dealing with an obese or an overweight patient, with the help of a product like iSlim Flat Tummies, you are also concentrating on curing or managing the secondary conditions like the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease also. So not only reducing or managing the weight, you are concentrating on controlling or managing the secondary conditions of overweight and obesity also, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. It is not only a target-oriented promotion here, it is actually a holistic-oriented promotion. Please try to listen to me properly. It is not a target-oriented promotion. All our products are a holistic-oriented promotion has to happen. That is the reason why, see, you may see a lot of obese people in your life actually, but you really don't know if their liver is affected or not. But now the researchers are clearly saying that non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, irrespective of consumption of alcohol or not, one's liver is actually affected. That is the reason why obesity can lead to fatty liver, and it's a very, very dangerous condition if it is not managed regularly or on at the earliest. So this is what exactly happens when you have a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, my dear friends. Well, the other important thing that I wanted to tell you here was, because of the lifestyle habits, the genetic differences, the amount of weight gain, it can vary between people to people actually. See, even as I normally tell this point every time, diabetes and obesity are two faces of a coin. These are actually considered as two faces of a coin actually. See, normally what would happen here is, if too much fat builds up, the fatty liver usually happens. If too much fat builds up in the liver, your fatty liver usually happens, by which the liver cells can be damaged or destroyed. So in fact, 25 to 40% of people with non-alcoholic fatty liver progress to more severe form of the disease called as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. See, this is a very important thing. Whenever you find out a person having a fatty liver disease, it is always important for him to control or manage the disease. Suppose if this does not happen, this can move into the second stage called as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. This is a very dangerous condition. The point of return is very, very low. And in fact, the therapeutic or in fact the management or the curative rate is also very, very low in such conditions, my dear friend. So one important thing, take home message, a promotional factor for all of you is, whenever you are promoting this wonderful product called as iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar, you are not only concentrating on managing the weight of the person, but you are concentrating on all other secondary conditions which are arising out of overweight and obesity in a human being. Please have that in mind always. iSlim Flat Tummies is a holistic weight management product. Again, I am trying to repeat this statement. iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is a holistic weight management product. So that is the reason why you need to take care of your whole body. The fat can build up anywhere in your body. It is not only your tummy fat what I'm trying to talk here. It can build up anywhere in your body. So it is your duty to manage the fat, the bad fat, which is built anywhere else in your body, so that you can control the weight or manage the weight in a holistic way. I hope the points are clear to you. Well, this is a corona zamana again. Well, one important research which has very recently happened in the United States and elsewhere also, people with fatty liver disease, these are the people who are more suffering with the COVID-19 infections, especially the secondary infections of COVID-19 are more in people who are suffering with this fatty liver disease. See, especially in one of the hospital trials in China, it was published in a journal called as Journal of Hepatology. Hepatology means it is a study of liver. So Chinese researchers have published a paper very recently. They are actually trying to tell things like this. People with pre-existing conditions like chronic kidney disease, heart disease, pulmonary disease, as well as liver fat. See, this is a very important point. A fatty liver disease are succumbing more to this dreadful condition of COVID-19. Again, I'm trying to tell you this point. People with fatty liver disease have more chances to get affected with secondary conditions of COVID-19. See, this is one of the other important things that people have to know about. See, you are not just promoting a product or giving a product to someone just to manage a condition, but you are trying to manage the holistic health of a person. This is very important. You are trying to manage the holistic health of a person with the help of a wonderful product called as iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. I hope you got my point clear. So, that is one important information, a promotional tool for you, especially to talk about this wonderful product these days. See, the same article clearly says that nearly around, if I have to tell you the numbers, 202 patients with confirmed COVID-19 infections were actually taken for the trial. So in that, 100 had liver injury. See, half of the patients who were taken for the trial had liver injuries. This is a very, very dangerous point actually. So in fact, that is one important indication stating that any liver infection or a liver problem is normally directly related with obesity, and it can be a predisposing condition for coronavirus condition also. I hope the points are clear to you. So always try to concentrate on the liver health as well as the fatty liver whenever you are promoting this wonderful product called as iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. I hope my points are clear. I hope all of you will take this particular point ahead also. So going ahead, my dear friends, as you all know that iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar is having very less calorie. It is having a combination of synergistic actives. It is a very good weight management supplement. It is good with natural fibers, and it is 100% natural base. So it does not have any fibers. It does not have any kind of chemicals or preservatives or fertilizers. No such kind of harmful and hazardous chemicals are actually seen. So I hope the points are clear to you. So I hope my voice is clear to everybody. I hope my voice and video are audible and clear to everyone. Please, can someone show me a thumb if my voice and audio are clear to everyone? So if my voice and audio are clear to everybody, please do write in the comment box if my voice and audio are audible and visible to everybody. Okay, some people are commenting that the voice is very low. I'll try to rectify it. So is my voice and video audible right now? If I'm trying to speak right now, now is it okay? Okay. Now I think it is clear. I'm getting some of the points. It is clear right now. Okay, so probably if you have some earphones with you, then the voice is probably audible properly. So yeah, I hope the audio is clear. Okay, we are getting some of the comments stating that the audio is clear right now. With that, I would like to continue the presentation. Okay, so thank you very much, Vivites, for showing that thumbs to me that everything is fine. So thank you so much for that. I hope my things are clear right now. So as I was trying to speak about the uniqueness of iSlim Flat Tummy's bar, it is having very low calorie, which is very less in nature. It is having a very good synergistic actives in it. It is also having weight management support. It is fiber rich and it is natural based also. It is also having a very good natural base as well. So it does not contain the preservatives, it does not contain the pesticides, the fertilizers, and so on. So, as I told you, obesity or overweight is a kind of a disorder. It is not a single disease. Diabetes and obesity, I always call them as brothers actually. So if you have one, the other is inevitably there with you. This is what is exactly called as diabetes and obesity. So diabetes is first and the foremost thing which can happen in case of an obese person. On the other way around, if you consider a diabetic person can also have obesity. So these are the two faces of a coin normally. Along with this, cardiovascular diseases is also one of the dangerous things which is happening. Decrease in immunity also can happen. Increased risk of cancer, especially the intestinal cancers, is also one of the other things which is normally seen. Osteoarthritis is also seen. Asthma is one of the conditions which is actually seen. High blood cholesterol. So whenever the cholesterol level is high in the blood, automatically the person will also becomes obese. Renal failure is also the other thing which is going to happen. Sleep apnea, which is nothing but your snoring, is also one of the major things which can happen. Psychological and emotional effects can also be seen. Gouty arthritis, or it is called as the uric acid issues, can also happen because of obesity. Low back pain can also happen. Pregnancy related defects can also happen in case of pregnant women whenever the obesity is actually seen. Similarly, liver disease can also happen and stroke can also happen. These are the major things which can happen when obesity disorder is actually seen in the body. I hope my points are clear to you now. So, as I told you, iSlim Flat Tummy's bar contains a holistic combination of three important ingredients: Salacia reticulata, Coleus forcefoli, and Sesamum indicum. So one is called as anti-diabetic, the other is a weight reduction, the third is a cholesterol reduction ingredient. Not only this, my dear friends, iSlim Flat Tummy Bar also contains natural fibers in it called as oats fibers and the ragi fibers. Suppose if someone is seeing from the south of India, ragi is one of the cereals which is actually used on a regular basis, and these are the two important fibers which can actually be used in case of obesity conditions. So we are using these two major fibers in our product, especially the oats fibers and the ragi fibers. So the next thing is we also have the soy and the whey protein concentrates in this particular product actually. So protein is also very important so far as the weight management is concerned. That is the reason why very low protein is actually used in our product, which mainly has the soy and the whey proteins. So along with this, we also have a very good combination of herbal extracts, mainly the ashwagandha, which is nothing but the Withenia somnifera, as well as kapikachu, as we call. Kapikachu is nothing but the cow hage. In English, it is called as the velvet bean. Both of them reduce the stress during the weight management process. This is how exactly the weight management process can be made with the help of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. I hope my points are clear to everybody. So, as you all know that even if a person is diabetic, one can consume the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar without any troubles. Even if he is having blood pressure, either it is high or low, you can definitely consume iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. Even during the pregnancy for the first 6 months, iSlim Flat Tummies Bar can be used safely. Even during the lactation, first month after the delivery, one can definitely start with iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. Even in case of thyroid issues, one can definitely use this without any problems. This is because thyroid is always, it is directly related with this particular overweight and obesity. So people with heart conditions, especially with previous heart diseases also, one can definitely use iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, and people with skin issues also can consume this iSlim Flat Tummies Bar pretty safely. So these are some of the major conditions where iSlim Flat Tummies Bar can be used safely, my dear friends. One important thing that I wanted to tell each and every one of you is, don't use this bar only as a weight management support. Always use this bar as a holistic weight management support. I'm trying to add this word holistic behind because, as I told you, we are trying to talk about disorders here. A majority or a multiples of disorders that we have, which actually gives us a wide range of opportunity to promote this product rather than target oriented opportunities. I hope you got my point clear. Always try to talk about head till the toe problems rather than confining yourself to one single problem. I hope my point is clear to you. So for better results, I always suggest you to consume one iSlim bar in the night between 7 to 9 p.m. after an optional dinner at 6 p.m. This is a very important thing. And the other important thing that I wanted to tell you is, everybody of you, please visit our website www.i-slim.in. So whenever you visit our website, you have a validation tab. You click on the validation tab, the papers of iSlim Flat Tummies will open, the publications of iSlim Flat Tummies will open. You can definitely download these papers and use these papers for your promotional purposes. So not only this, I would also try to tell you this. See, you can also have a look at our diet charts in the website. You have a very good vegetarian and a non-vegetarian diet charts. Please have a look at the diet charts, and then definitely you can start using the product in a more beneficial way. I hope the points are clear to you. With this, I would like to end this short session on iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. Now this is a question answer time. I would like to take the previous week's questions first before I start with the current week's questions. So the previous week's questions, so my colleague Ms. Sangeeta has sent me the previous week's questions. So I'll be giving the next week's questions followed by the previous week's questions. Yeah. So my dear friends, I think if you can just hold on for a minute. Okay. So the previous week's questions, for first question is from Mr. Mohammed Pasha. Mr. Mohammed Pasha is asking me a question now from the previous week. So they're complaining iSlim bar causing a lot of body pains. This is what Mr. Mohammed Pasha is actually asking me. So Mr. Mohammed Pasha, if you're watching this, the main reason for this is, whenever a person is consuming iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, it is always, the detoxification process is the one which happens on a regular basis. So whenever the detoxification process happens, automatically the body has some reactions. The reactions can happen in terms of producing heat in the body. It can be in the terms of having a lot of loose motions or vomiting, or sometimes even the pain can happen. The most important thing that one has to follow here is, you have to drink a lot of fluids actually, drink a lot of water as well as fruit juices, for definitely you will not be able to suffer from any kinds of such problems in the future as well. I hope the point is clear. So the second question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Verma. Mr. Vema is asking this question: getting headache while using iSlim. They're following all the instructions. What can I suggest? See, suppose if the person is suffering from headache, suppose if the person is suffering from headache after taking the iSlim bar, even though you are drinking a lot of fluids, what I suggest you is you can start the iSlim bar in the day times and stop it in the night times. Please start it in the day times, especially after, by skipping your breakfast, so automatically your headache will reduce. So I hope the answer is clear to you, Mr. Vema or Verma, if I'm not pronouncing the word, the spelling properly. The third question that I'm seeing is from Mr. Sainath. Mr. Sainath, if we are, is asking this question: one of my customer getting vomiting, consuming of half iSlim bar. See, the one thing I would like to tell you, Mr. Sainath, is again the general rule applies the same here. You can consume a lot of liquids. A lot of liquids can be used so that automatically the vomiting or the hydration inside the body will regularize. So automatically, so no other problems will happen to the person. So, but still, suppose if he is continuing half iSlim bar, definitely he can consume half iSlim bar in a day only. Let him not consume one iSlim bar. Half iSlim bar for 1 week can be used. Later on, the dose can be increased into one iSlim bar. I hope my point is clear to you. But along with that, drinking around 3.5 to 4 liters of water is always important. I hope the points are clear. Okay. So the next important, the questions that I am seeing here on the screen is: I am a diabetic patient on 3-time insulin. So can I use your product? So absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. As I've been telling you, even though if you're a diabetic patient, you can definitely use one iSlim flat tummies bar. But you don't have to do the whole diet. This question is from Mr. Abdul Rahman Siddiqui. If you're watching this, definitely you can continue one iSlim bar in the night itself. So you don't have to worry about any of the side effects. So the next question that I am seeing here is: some people are they are asking that can we use the expired iSlim bars? Well, as a general rule, as a disclaimer, I would like to tell you that after the expiry, the products should not be used on a regular basis. I hope my point is clear. It should not be used after the expiry date is over. This is one such question that is repeating regularly. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Arjun Mekal. In my house, we are consuming rice more. Can I reduce rice and eat more bars? How many bars in a day? As I told you, Mr. Arjun, the most important thing is you have to consume, if you are consuming more rice, please cut down your rice quantity and you can consume only 1 bar or maximum to 2 bars in a day. You should not consume more than 2 bars in a day. I hope my point is clear to you. Will iSlim bar regain the weight after using it? This is the other question that I am seeing here. See, there is nothing like regaining the weight. See, normally for all the wellness products, it is always important to consume the wellness products for a minimum period of 3 months always for better absorption. And there is no question of regain of the weight, but you have to follow a strict diet and lifestyle in order to maintain your weight. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is, can we use iSlim after 6 months? 6 months of expiry, if that is a case, no. If it is 6 months of expiry, you should not use it. Definitely not, because the expiry period is only 6 months. I hope my point is clear. Is iSlim suitable only for fat person? Definitely not. As I told you, iSlim is not a product which is only for people who are obese in nature. iSlim is also for people who are lean in nature, because obesity symptoms can happen not only in fat people but also in lean people. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next set of questions that I am seeing here is, does iSlim also increase the weight as it is mentioned as a weight management product? Well, as I told you, ice cream is also having very low protein concentration. The answer for this is definitely if a person consumes the ice cream flat tummies bar along with the consumption of proteinaceous diet or the food, automatically the bar can increase the weight in a person. I hope my point is clear. If someone wants to increase their weight, always eat the bar. Along with that, you should eat a lot of proteinaceous food. I hope the point is clear to you. Someone is asking me a question about iCoffee. Please do not ask question of iCoffee here. You can ask that in our messenger page or elsewhere whenever the iCoffee broadcast is happening. One of the questions that I'm seeing here is one of my customers start gaining weight after using 1 month. See, this is what I was actually trying to tell you. The question is from Ms. Konjangbam Gamabita. See, if you're watching this, always try to have a diet restrictions whenever you are trying to consume ice cream bar. Suppose if the person is engaged in the consumption of high proteinaceous diet, it is always difficult. It is always difficult to control the weight. It is always easy for whenever a person is consuming low carbohydrate and low protein diet, so automatically the weight loss will happen. I hope the point is clear to you, and you have to ask them to reduce their non-vegetarian diet, especially the proteinaceous diet, so in order to reduce the weight. I hope the point is clear to you. The last question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Mohammed Samir. Why does diarrhea occur? As I told you, detoxification is one process where the diarrhea and the vomiting can happen. So you have to consume a lot of fluids whenever you have a lot of diarrhea problems. Please do consume a lot of fluids, so automatically your weight loss can happen properly. The next question is from Mr. Arjun Mekal. How many ice cream products to reduce 84 kgs of weight? I think, Mr. Arjun, I have answered your query. Again, I am trying to tell you the same. You have to reduce your carbohydrate, that is rice, as well as the protein consumption. You can have a maximum of 2 bars in a day, but skip only 1 meal in a day. I hope the point is clear to you. Please follow the diet chart which is present in our website for beneficial weight loss. So the last question of the day that I am taking here is from Mr. Nasreen Begum. One of my customer is feeling very weak after consumption of ice cream. Always try to give them a lot of fruit juices as well as liquid items, so that their weakness as well as the tiredness or the fatigue will reduce. I hope my point is clear, Ms. Nasreen Begum. Okay, the last question that I am taking here is from Mr. Vedanta Kumar. Mr. Vedanta Kumar is asking, can ice cream bar be taken for weight gain? As I told you, yes, it can be taken for weight gain, but you have to consume a lot of proteinaceous diet along with the bar. You should not do any dieting, then definitely the weight gain can happen. I hope my point is clear to you. So the last question of the day that I am taking is from Mr. Brajesh Nandan. Again, the same question, can I increase the weight with ice cream flat tummies bar? As I told you, the previous answer holds right for you also. I hope you have listened to that. Yes. Okay, thank you very much, Vivide. So those were the questions for the day. So don't worry if your questions are left unanswered. We will be able to answer your questions the next week, the next Friday, which is an ice cream flat tummies day. So you can also host this as watch parties. Please go through the presentations well so that you will have more and more questions. You can also post your questions on the messenger page of our Facebook as well. So thank you so much, Vivides, for your patient watching. We anticipate more and more queries from you. Thank you very much for your patient listening. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.